Hola, people. I'm at the new 34th Street station. Here's my friend Rhonda. Now, we're about to take a video of a 7 train, huh? Getting ready to come into the station. Here's a train. Now, with the train coming in, I have no idea which side it's going to come in from. Either come this side or that side. But my friend Rhonda said all trains going to come on this side, so the trains can be easy to come out. Now, here's the R188 7 train getting ready to come in. Now, let me show y'all the train right now. Now, this is an R188 7. And this is what I call transit action. If y'all like it, gotta say it. Alright, let me stand back.
This is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train. Thank you for riding with MTA New York City Transit.
Local.
This is a Queens-bound 7 local train. The next stop is...
Wow. And this is the entire way. And this is the entire 7 train. This is an R188. Sound like the train operator's getting ready to head back out. Rhonda, I can see the cab. Alright, y'all, the train's heading back out, so... Let's wish the driver some good luck, and the train is heading out. Trains are coming in. Oh, yeah, that was late? Is this one going to be late because of that one?
No, this one's going to how fast he had to get on the train to make it, whereas the other guy sat there for a while.
Wait, how did it become late?
It came down. I told you they were doing some traffic.
This is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train.
All right, people, it sounds like the train's getting ready to head back out.
New York City Transit.
So let's take a look here. What? Okay, now this is a nice train here. This, my friends, is the R188. R188 7 train. Now, these trains were on the 6, but it was technically an R142A. The MTA needed to change it. Which I'm not going to lie, they kind of did a good choice making this.
This is Queens-bound.
No, just to see your cab.
The next stop is...
What time you go out?
46.
No, you get ready to leave. See, this is the R188.
Oh my God. I'm actually by the cab of this train. Oh my God. I'm actually by the cab of the train. I'm actually by the cab of the train.
Now, when you see the signals there, when they turn green and yellow.
Yeah.
Yeah, green and yellow. Your side is green and yellow. This is your ready to go. Okay?
That's really nice. The cab of the train. When the light turns red and green and yellow, you gotta pull off. See you soon. All right, y'all. Train's about to pull off, so let's wish this a good ride. Oh my God, this is the one.
Huh? No, Mr. Badders told me to come down and show you. So it's okay. That train, you see where it's going to turn there?
Yeah, I see the point.
tracks turn.
Yeah, I see the point.
So then he's going to turn and go this way on this track.
So like, okay.
Now this track here, when he goes down, he's got to go on the other side to go into Times Square.
Nice.
So we'll go into the Times Square. The relay road is on the tower board. You saw how the train on track one side and the other.
Yeah.
He's on track one. Remember, so
This is track one and that's track two. Hello.
this train has to go that way. And it goes down to the crossover and go on that side.
But he has to go slow and he gotta wait till that track switches up. That like controls the train brakes. How does it even do it?
How does he control the train?
No, I mean that.
What?
That little box thing that's on the track.
That doesn't control the train brakes.